Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x plus y is equal to 2 and xy is equal to 4 to find the values of x and y. In the first step, we write this equation as xy is equal to 4 and we divide both sides of this equation by x. So it will be this divided by x is y and this divided by x is 4 over x. So y is equal to 4 over x, and in next step we write this equation, which is x plus y is equal to 2, and in here we substitute this y is equal to 4 over x, so it will be in here x plus y is 4 over x, so 4 over x is equal to 2. And next step, we multiply both sides of this equation by x. So it will be in here x times x is x squared, and 4 over x times x is 4 and is equal to 2 times x is 2x. And next step, we take this 2x to this side, it will be x squared minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. And from here, x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And a is equal to coefficient of x squared is 1 and b is coefficient of x is negative 2 and c is constant is 4. So in here x is equal to negative b. Negative 2 is positive 2 plus or minus b squared, negative 2a squared is 4 and minus 4 times a is 1. So 4 times 1 is 4 and times this 4 is 16 over 2a is 2. From here it will be 2 plus or minus square root of negative 12 over 2. And we can write in here x is equal to this negative 12 as here 2 plus or minus a square root of 12 times a square root of negative 1 over 2. And this square root of negative 1 is I, and we can write this as 2 plus or minus 12. 12, we can write 12 in here. We can write 12 as the square root of 4 times 3. And the square root of 4 is 2, so it will be 2 square root of 3, right? So in here, the square root of 12, it will be 2 square root of 3 times I over 2. And in here, we have x is equal to 2 over 2 is 1 and plus or minus 2 square root of 3i over 2, it will be a square root of 3i. So we find two values for x. In here, x1 is equal to 1 plus a square root of 3i, and in here, x2 is equal to 1 minus a square root of 3i. And in here, x plus y is equal to 2. So, right, x plus y is equal to 2, and here y is equal to 2 minus x, right? So, y is equal to x in here is 1 plus a square root of 3i, so it will be 2 minus 1 plus a square root of 3i, and it will be in here y is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1 and negative 1 times this square root of 3i, it will be negative 3i. So y is equal to 1 minus square root of 3i and x is 1 plus square root of 3i. And we can write this as y1, right? x1 and y1. And from here, y is equal to 2 minus x, so we write y2 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus square root of 3i, right? And from here, y is equal to 1 plus square root of 3i. So, and this is y2, right? So, in here, our answer for x and y x1 and y1 is equal to x1 in here is 1 plus square root of 3i and y1 1 minus square root of 3i. So we write 1 plus square root of 3i and 1 minus square root of 3i. And for x2 and y2 is equal to, in here, x2 is 1 minus square root of 3i and y2 is 1 plus square root of 3i. So we write 1 minus square root of 3i and 1 plus square root of 3i. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.